Today we have to discuss about the topic is pemphigus vulgaris in disease of the skin. Before going to the topic, we need some more basics. That is, there is a desmosome. This is the desmosome function is to other the cell is located between the cells. This is the desmosome. This desmosome is made up of desmoglin 1 and desmoglin 3. In pemphigus vulgaris, it is a autoimmune intraepithelial blistering disease. This is a autoimmune intraepithelial blistering disease. Intraepithelial, the blistering is present in the epithelium. So intraepithelial blistering disease. This is the blistering disease affecting skin and mucous membrane. Autoantibody IgG, especially G1 and G4 type antibody attack desmosomes. This is the desmosome, especially desmoglin 1 and desmoglin 3. The cell becomes separated, is known as acantholysis. So leads to ulcer. This is the ulcer. Clinically, 50 to 60 years of age group peoples are commonly affected and there is no gender predilection. Equal gender are affected. The vesicle and bullae is diameter few millimeter to several centimeters. There is a thin watery fluid and sometimes bullae ruptured leads to eroded surface, which means this bullae get easily ruptured because of this watery fluid. So there is a mild injury, the bullae get easily ruptured. There is a rubbing of unaffected area. If rubbing of unaffected area, the epithelium slide off. This is called as Nikolsky sign. This is the Nikolsky sign. The pemphigus vegetans, it is the uncommon variant of pemphigus vulgaris. In pemphigus vegetans, there is a presence of cerebiform tongue, which means pattern of sulci and gyre is present in the dorsum of the tongue. Oral manifestation, 50 to 70% intact bullae are rare in mouth. This bullae rare in mouth. What is bullae? What is vesicle? Bullae is nothing but greater than 1 centimeter is called bullae. If the blister less than 1 centimeter is called as vesicle. Bullae is nothing but the blister greater than 1 centimeter is called as bullae. If the blister less than 1 centimeter is called as vesicle. It is ill defined because this bullae get easily ruptured in oral mucosa. So the intact bullae are rare in oral cavity, and there is a rupture present and it leads to ill defined border and irregular shaped gingival, buccal, palatal erosion. It is painful and slow to heal, so unable to eat and drink. Esophagus, penis, urethra or other involved mucosal surface. Histologically, there is a intraepithelial blister leads to acantholysis, which means loss of normal cell to cell attachment leads to acantholysis. So acantholysis leads intraepithelial blister. So the intraepithelial blister is nothing but there is a presence of thin watery fluid in the blister. There is a presence of suprabasilar split, which means this epithelial separate this epithelial gets separate because there is a loss of desmoglein 1 and desmoglein 3 due to autoimmune antibody. As a result, epithelial cells separate. The space between basal cells and cells above it, which means the basal cell and cells above it, there is a presence of space that is called as suprabasilar split. In basal cell, there is a presence of row of tombstone appearance will be seen. This is the tombstone. Here we see this is the basal cell. The basal cell look like row of tombstone. And there is a presence of clump of cells in the vesicular space. Here we see clump of cells. This clump of cells are nothing but it is a Schwann cells, because this is a cellular debris, which means which cells can't easily movable from this area. There is a remaining cells, which means there is a remaining cell is present in between the suprabasilar split, that is called as Schwann cells. These Schwann cells leads to swelling of nuclei and hyperchromatic stain. These Schwann cells are tested by Schwann's test. These Schwann cells are diagnosed by using Schwann's test from the freshly opened vesicle. Immunofluorescence leads to presence of IgG antibody, sometimes combination of IgM and C3. The treatment is corticosteroid because it is a systemic condition. So corticosteroid is a immunosuppressive drug. So at the same time, in combination with the immunosuppressive drugs, if it present in the oral cavity, the oral lesion is present, topical steroid is applied to the lesion. Thank you.